Luxury Auto Works. Today I'm going to talk to you about valve stems on a BMW. The valve stems that we have here are your battery operated valve stem. What happens is there's a battery internal on the inside of the wheel that has a lifespan of right around 4 years or so. In order to check the lifespan of it, you need a special tool, which we do have. What I would recommend doing is every 6 months to a year, bring it in for service. We can check the lifespan of the battery, what's remaining left. But when you do check your tire pressures, make sure that this core on the inside is tight and not leaking air. Thank you for turning in to BMW